Here's the news of the day. Tulsa Life Flight celebrated 45 years of life-saving emergency air medical care, honoring its history of excellence and over 54,000 patient transports since its founding in 1979. NEMSPA is launching the Medical Pilot Career Launch on November 3rd at AMTC, offering aspiring pilots expert panels, hands-on demos, and networking with industry leaders. Garmin co-founders Dr. Min Kao and the late Gary Burrell were inducted into the National Aviation Hall of Fame for their pioneering contributions to aviation technology. New Zealand deployed the AirShare UTM system at Tahaki Aerospace Center to enhance uncrewed aircraft operations and integrate emerging technologies into its airspace. Eve Air Mobility appointed Megha Bhatia as Chief Commercial Officer, where she will oversee global sales and strategy as the company advances its eVTOL and urban air mobility ecosystem. Summit NextGen acquired a 60-acre site in Houston to build the world's largest ethanol-to-jet SAF production facility, aiming to reduce carbon emissions in aviation by 2027. Global Jet Capital closed its B-Jets 2024-2 securitization, raising $617 million through asset-backed securities tied to business aircraft leases and loans across 18 industries. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.